Withdrawing money from your Lyft account after an account review is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully access your funds. Step 1. Log into your Lyft account. Open the Lyft app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that has undergone the review. Step 2. Navigate to your earnings. Once logged in, go to the earnings section of the app or website. This section will display your total earnings and any pending payments. Step 3. Check for approval. Confirm that your account review has been completed and that your earnings are available for withdrawal. Look for any notifications or messages regarding your account status. Step 4. Select withdrawal option. Choose the option to withdraw your funds. This may be labeled as cash out or withdraw funds. Follow the prompts to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 5. Choose your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the isshark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your withdrawal should be processed according to Lyft's timeline. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.